Okay, today we're going to talk about finding this foam and a couple of tools we're using. The first thing I'm doing in this program is I'm loading an image from a file. I don't have a camera set up, so I'm loading it from a file. The next thing I'm doing here is I'm actually running a filter where I'm filtering out all of the hot spots I see on that foam. The next piece I'm doing is a convolve. This is actually another tool, and it's another way to filter. And in this case, I can either dilate, erode, sharpen, soften, get rid of noise, do a bunch of stuff. In this case, I'm going to dilate, which means that when I dilate this guy, it's actually going to make it a little more. You see how now these hot spots are even worse. I've closed it. Now I'm reopening it to make it very more uniform. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I've got a region of interest, which is on top of here, and then I'm going to use a line tool. And that line tool is going to physically be inside of the region of interest. So let me go ahead and step through this. So the first thing is load. Then I'm filtering. I'm going to filter again. You can see I've closed it. Now I'm opening it back up. The next thing I'm going to do is put my region of interest. Then I'm using a line tool inside of here to look. And that line tool is going to go grab these points. Then I can go through and I can get distances. The distances is the ability for you to get distances of these points. I'm going to take the line tool and I'm going to say edge number 1, which is this guy's my points. And then I can do my mean, my minimum, my maximum, my standard deviation, that type of thing. So this is going to tell me that, hey, I've got it's running through. I've got 43 points inside of here, and the max distance between any one of them is 34. And this is a tool that we're going to then use to say, hey, I should have enough points. They shouldn't be too close to the region, and they shouldn't be too far apart. If, for example, I were to come in here and move this guy down here and hit run. Okay, first of all, you know, I'm finding parts that are very, very much different, points that are very much different, and you know, they're a lot further apart.